Hey everyone, today we have the Nothing Ear 2 today. We're going to do an unboxing and review. We'll see what we could get into today. So we have here user guide and safety information booklets. Pretty neat. I like the texture of it, the layout they're going for. So with these headphones, you're included with Type-C cable and extra ear tips, small to large. These ear tips kind of remind me of the Apple ear tips. And here are the Nothing Ear 2s. These headphones caught me by surprise by the outstanding design they got going on. And a nice rubber mat material on the back so your headphones won't slip or slide on any surface. Alright, let's do the magnetic test while we shake these up and see how the magnets hold up. It looks pretty sturdy to me. Solid design. Alright, let's talk some features about these headphones. Ear dedication headphones is Google Fast Pairing, and it has a Microsoft Swift Pair, dual connection, clear voice technology with 3 mics per bud, LED charging status. Now these do have noise cancelling options in the X app. These earphones support IP54 level, and the case supports IP55 sweatproof and weatherproof and meets the daily usage. 36 hours long battery life and has a single battery life of 8 hours and has 36 hours playing time with the charging case. Supports up to 2.5 watts for wireless charging. 10 minutes of wired charge gives you about 8 hours of playback. If an ANC is on, the battery life is up to 22.5 hours with case and 4 hours only with the buds. Earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.3 and supports Google Fast Pair, Microsoft Swift Quick Pair. Then it enables to adjust the low latency mode, play music on your laptop, then seamlessly switch to answering a call on your phone. So it has a dual connection feature. I'll put a link in the description so you guys could pick up these headphones for yourselves. Here's a comparison with all of my other headphones I have, how these Nothing Ear 2s compare with these normal day use headphones.
That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.